channel, AllasYummyFood. Milo says hello. He's getting really heavy actually. Guys, today I want to show you how to make this super easy blueberry dessert in a cup. It's so yummy, so delicious. It's so easy to make, it's so delicious, perfect for supper clubs, dinner parties, if you've got guests over. Amazing, easy dessert, and I love it. What are you smelling there? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let's get started. Into your pan, add your frozen blueberries. You can also use fresh ones, but you might need to add some liquid. Then add sugar, and we're going to mix everything together. I'm going to cook my blueberries on very low to medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes until they defrost completely, and then boil them for another 10 minutes or so until you see they become nice and liquidy. Then add your blueberries into your food processor or blender and blitz them away until they're nice and smooth. It should look just like that, and then we're going to sieve it through just to get rid of any excess bits or seeds or anything like that. You want nice smooth puree. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. In a bowl, add your heavy or double cream. And then I'm going to whisk that until it becomes nice and fluffy and quite pale, just like this. Then I'm going to add some icing sugar and just mix it all together until it's nice and smooth. Then add your cream into a piping bag and make sure you put this all inside. Take a couple of biscuits and add them into your ziploc bag, and then smash them with your rolling pin until you get nice crumbs, just like that. Next, take your presentation dish. You can use any glass or cup that you wish. Add your crushed biscuits at the bottom. So I'm using 2 large tablespoons, and then I'm gonna pipe my vanilla cream inside, just like that, and top it up with some blueberry puree just on top. I'm also adding some fresh blueberries in the middle. It's optional, but I do think they add a lot of flavor. Then add more crushed cookies and more cream on top. Finally, top it up with more blueberry puree and some more fresh blueberries. This dessert is so delicious. It's like a blueberry dessert in a cup, super easy to assemble, very good if you're doing a supper club or dinner party, so you can put them in a fridge and set them overnight and then serve them. Now look at that, guys, just so delicious. I hope you tried this recipe. Leave the comments down below, let me know what you thought. Make sure you also like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to check out more of my videos, you can go and have a look at the end. I'm gonna include several videos that I think you might like. Thank you guys. Yum, I'm gonna go and enjoy this.